Contentment is one of the most important psychological and emotional states for a fulfilling life. It may not always be emphasized in mainstream culture, which often promotes ambition, competition, and constant striving, but contentment is a bedrock of mental peace, resilience, and lasting happiness. So let us study why contentment is so important from psychological, philosophical, spiritual, and practical perspective, along with research-backed insights and reflections. So what is contentment? Contentment is a state of inner peace and satisfaction with what you have and where you are in life without constantly craving for more. So it's not about giving up on goals, but about appreciating the present while still being open to growth. So why contentment is important? So it is important because it affects our mental and emotional well-being. So it reduces stress and anxiety. Content people are less consumed by what they lack. They worry less about the future or dwell on the past. It leads to emotional balance. Contentment helps you handle life's ups and downs with grace and patience. According to research, there's a study published in the Journal of Happiness Studies link contentment to a higher emotional stability and lower cortisol. Now, this cortisol is a stress hormone levels. So, this is why contentment is very important if you want to have a happy life. It also improves relationships. Content people are less competitive and more compassionate. They are not constantly trying to prove something, which makes them more present and supportive partners, friends, or coworkers. It boosts resilience. When you're content, setbacks don't feel like a personal failures. They are just part of life's flow. You bounce back quicker because your self-worth isn't tied only to the external success. So we need to learn more about contentment. It aligns you with your true self. Contentment clears away noise. You stop comparing yourself with others. It allows you to focus on your own values, goals, and growth without the pressure of external validation. So how to cultivate contentment? One, gratitude practice. List three things. No, you need to list three things you're grateful for every day. Number two, mindfulness and presence. Engage fully in the moment. Number three, limit social comparison. Reduce time on social media and comparing your life to others. Number four, simplify. Declutter your peace and commitment. Number five, celebrate small wins. Acknowledge everyday progress and joys. Number six, reframe challenges. View setbacks as lesson, not a disaster. Contentment is not the enemy of ambition. It's the foundation of wisdom. It brings freedom from chaos of craving and opens the door to a life that is calm, present, and truly yours.